So I heard about BioXcellerator from a lot of really great athletes that I've worked with in the past, and it really piqued my interest because I'm a former athlete myself, and I've really accrued a lot of damage over the course of my career, both in athletics and working as a manual therapist. I'm an Naperville chiropractor at Jackson Wink MMA, so I work with a lot of MMA fighters. And some of them are really big, and so when I'm adjusting them and working on their bodies, I'm dealing with a 250-pound ball of muscle. And so all that force goes into my wrist, goes into my hips, goes into my shoulders. So when I started seeing some of the folks, the pro wrestlers, the UFC fighters coming down here, it really piqued my interest and made me wonder, hey, what's going on there? They seem to be having great results. A, I wonder if this could help me a lot and extend my career. And then B, I need to experience this for myself, so when the other fighters ask me about it, I can have a concrete answer. So those are really the ways that I found out about BioXcellerator, and I've really had my eyes on stem cells for a long time. So I reached out to Mike and we got into communication, and he was able to make this whole process super easy, the transition super easy. The travel here has been super easy, customs was great, and really I can't say enough about how great the staff has been at BioXcellerator, incredibly professional. They know their stuff. I grilled the doctors up and down on the efficacy and the data, and they had every answer ready to go. Incredibly impressed by their laboratory facilities, and like I said, the doctors themselves know exactly what they're doing. So coming down here, what I was looking for was really to decrease the inflammation in my gut, in my joints themselves. And what we went through is I did the Golden Cells IV. So that's the highest quality, top-notch stem cells that you can get. That day, it was amazing. I slept more than I've slept in probably 15 years. It almost felt like this soothing sensation going through my intestines, through all my joints. Honestly, it was euphoric, that whole 24 hours afterwards. After that, we got to the less pleasant stuff. So I had injections subpatellar, so underneath my kneecap on the right side. I had them intra-articular in the joint on my left shoulder. I had them in the muscle on my left shoulder as well, and then also in the trapezius and rhomboid, so the muscles surrounding the shoulder. I also had the hip, so intra-articular there as well. So a pretty decent sized needle, but what I'm hoping is to stave off the hip replacement for as long as possible. I'm only 37, I stand all day, so hip replacements have a very short life on them still, so what I would like to do is, if I do have to go down that route, I'd rather do it in 20 years than now, and I think BioXcellerator can really help me to push that marker out. Medellin's a great city. I've really enjoyed Medellin. Like I said, the scenery is beautiful. You come out of the airport, you come down the hill, and all you see is this beautiful scenery. Mountains, city lights, you can see the river, and it's not too big. It's a lot smaller than a city like Bogota, which is more like the size of Chicago. So it's not too hard to travel around. You can take a taxi, you can Uber, and they have guided tours, so you can see the city itself, you can see the countryside, you can see where all the coffee that you drink is grown. So I've really enjoyed the people in the city. So if you're looking for something that's like a wellness vacation, I can't recommend Medellin nearly enough.